We're out here in the wood shop, and today we're going to work on putting finger joints on my V-boxes. Now, if you notice here, I've got a jig made up. Got this 3/4 dado blade. There's a 3/4 dado blade, 3/4 of an inch wide. It also needs to stick up 3/4 of an inch. What I do is I take my 3/4 stock and I lay it on there. And I guess exceed 3/4 a little bit. Not much. And then what I do, now when you look at the front of this jig I have made up, now this just goes on my push bench, which goes down here in this groove. I've got a block of wood, which is 3/4 by 3/4, and this sticks out there a couple inches. That don't matter how much it sticks out. And then I've got a 3/4 space, and then there's where the dado blade will run through. So I'll take my board and I'll stand it up on here like so. Okay, and I'll slide it all the way over against this block. Now what I'll do is I'll push that through the dado blade, and that'll give me my first finger. And then I'll lift up on this and actually set this down over that little cube that sticks out. And I just keep repeating the process, keep sliding it over. Lift it up, slide it over, and next one. Next one. And the last one. Now you can see I've got all my fingers on there now. And then I'll repeat the exact same pattern on the other end of the box, down here, on the other end of this board.